Welcome to AI LifeMastery, where we empower you to enhance your life and boost your income using AI. Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel and make money from it? In today's video, we'll unveil the 5 most popular AI tools that can solve your problems and help you succeed on YouTube. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your channel, these tools are here to transform your journey. Stay tuned to discover how AI can help you overcome your challenges and achieve your goals. If you're struggling to get your videos noticed, TubeBuddy is the AI-powered tool you need. It helps with keyword research, SEO optimization, and detailed analytics. With TubeBuddy, you can find the best keywords, optimize your video metadata, analyze your competitors, and track performance. Additional tips: use the Keyword Explorer tool to find long-tail keywords with low competition and take advantage of the A/B testing feature to determine the best thumbnails and titles for your videos. VidIQ is designed to solve the problem of low video views and engagement. With VidIQ, you can discover trending topics, optimize visibility, track real-time analytics, and gain competitive insights. Actionable tip: use VidIQ to monitor trending topics in your niche and create content around those trends. Struggling to produce high-quality videos consistently? Lumen 5 turns your blog posts and articles into engaging videos. With Lumen 5, you can transform text into video, utilize templates and media, and customize videos. Additional tips: experiment with different video formats and use the storyboard feature to plan your video content before creation. If you're finding it hard to create visually appealing thumbnails and graphics, Canva is your solution. With Canva, you can access customizable templates, design eye-catching thumbnails, and use drag-and-drop features. Pro tip: invest time in designing eye-catching thumbnails with Canva to increase your video's click-through rate. Video editing can be a daunting task, but Descript simplifies it. With Descript, you can edit through transcription, utilize advanced features, and generate captions automatically. Additional tips: take advantage of the overdub feature and use Descript's integration with other tools like Zoom to streamline your workflow. To recap, the 5 most popular AI tools that can solve your problems and help you make money on YouTube are TubeBuddy, VidIQ, Lumen 5, Canva, and Descript. These tools can optimize your content, boost your engagement, streamline your video creation process, and enhance your channel's visual appeal, effectively addressing your challenges. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AI LifeMastery. Try out these tools and let us know in the comments how they've solved your YouTube challenges. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more ways AI can help you achieve your goals. Additional tips: monitor performance, engage with your audience, stay updated. Did you know that some AI tools can even predict trending topics weeks in advance? By integrating these AI tools into your YouTube strategy, you can solve your problems, maximize your potential to earn, and grow your channel efficiently. Happy creating!